Welcome back, friends, to another transformative video. They fooled you, didn't they? They fed you that line about flashy cars, blinged out chains, and sprawling mansions, making it seem like the key to happiness and success. But deep down, those are just clever marketing tricks designed to part you from your hard-earned cash. Fall for that, and you'll find yourself broke again in no time. But here's the real deal, my friends. There are things worth investing in that can truly elevate your life. We've been through it all ourselves, and we're here to spill the beans. So forget all that other stuff. Here's what you should upgrade as soon as the money rolls in. Number 1, personal appearance. Your appearance is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of self-esteem and confidence. Investing in your looks, be it regular hair grooming, dental work, or skin treatments, is not superficial. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. Studies have shown that good-looking individuals often enjoy better job prospects and higher salaries. This isn't about vanity. It's about taking control of your image and the opportunities that come with it. So whether it's fixing a crooked smile or getting that LASIK surgery, these changes can have a profound impact on how you're perceived and, more importantly, how you perceive yourself. Number 2, physical health. Your body is the only place you have to live in, so it's crucial to keep it strong and healthy. Investing in physical fitness is not just about looking good. It's about feeling powerful and energetic. Hiring a personal trainer can be a game changer. They not only provide expertise and motivation, but also tailor a fitness regimen that fits your specific goals. Regular exercise can boost your energy levels, improve mental health, and even enhance productivity. Think of it as an investment with an incredibly high return for both your personal and professional life. Number 3, quality sleep. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Upgrading your sleep setup with a top-quality mattress, supportive pillows, and luxurious linens can transform the way you feel each day. Quality sleep improves concentration, boosts mood, and even enhances your physical health. It's not just about comfort, it's about optimizing your body's ability to rejuvenate. Don't skimp on your sleeping environment. Remember, you're not just investing in a bed, you're investing in a better, more productive you. Number 4, nutritional upgrades. Good food is not just about satisfying hunger, it's about nourishing your body and mind. As you move up in life, consider upgrading your diet. This doesn't mean just eating expensive food, it's about choosing quality, nutritious options that fuel your body effectively. Eating healthy can enhance your cognitive functions, improve your mood, and increase your energy levels. So whether it's incorporating more organic produce, lean proteins, or reducing processed foods, a diet upgrade can significantly impact your overall well-being. Number 5, time management. Time is your most valuable asset. With financial freedom, you gain the power to control your schedule. This means saying no to unproductive activities and yes to what truly enriches your life. Free up your calendar for creativity, relaxation, and personal growth. Outsourcing mundane tasks can help you focus on what really matters, whether it's pursuing a passion project, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a moment of peace. Number 6, living environment. Your living environment greatly influences your daily life. It's not just about luxury, it's about convenience, safety, and community. A change in location can mean better access to resources, a more inspiring environment, and connections that can open doors. Consider what your current location offers and whether a move could bring you closer to your personal and professional goals. Number 7, invest in convenience. In a fast-paced world, convenience is a luxury worth investing in. Whether it's home cleaning services, tech upgrades, or even private transportation, these conveniences save time and reduce stress. The more efficient your day-to-day life is, the more energy and time you have for things that truly matter. So don't hesitate to spend on services that streamline your life. Number 8, family time. One of the best investments you can make is in your family. Providing financial support is just one aspect. It's about creating experiences, making memories, and showing that you care. Whether it's a family vacation, paying off a relative's mortgage, or simply spending quality time together, these gestures strengthen bonds and bring joy that money alone cannot buy. Number 9, continual learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your knowledge. Investing in your education, whether through courses, books, or mentorship, keeps you ahead of the curve. This isn't just about formal education. It's about lifelong learning in areas that interest you. It's about staying curious, seeking new perspectives, and constantly challenging yourself to grow. Number 10, Wardrobe upgrade. Dressing well is a form of self-respect. Upgrading your wardrobe to include high-quality, timeless pieces is an investment in your personal brand. This doesn't mean chasing trends. It's about curating a wardrobe that resonates with your style and professional image. Quality clothing not only looks better, but often lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. Number 11, life experiences. The richest memories come from experiences, not possessions. Travel, explore new hobbies, and immerse yourself in different cultures. These adventures enrich your life, broaden your perspective, and create stories that define who you are. So, allocate a part of your budget to experiencing life in all its diversity. Number 12, charitable giving. Giving back is not just a responsibility, it's a privilege. Charitable work and donations can bring a sense of fulfillment that surpasses any material gain. It's about making a positive impact on the world and experiencing the joy of helping others. Even small contributions can make a big difference, and the act of giving can be incredibly rewarding. Number 13, intelligent subscriptions. As you climb the financial ladder, reevaluate your subscriptions. Invest in services that align with your interests and enhance your lifestyle. This could be educational platforms, fitness apps, or exclusive clubs. Being part of communities that share your passions can be incredibly enriching and open up new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Number 14, smart tax planning. With wealth comes the need for smart financial planning. Understanding how to manage your taxes effectively can save you significant amounts of money. This may involve consulting with financial experts, exploring investment opportunities, or even considering geographical relocation. Smart tax planning is an essential aspect of wealth management. Number 15, lifestyle reinvention. Finally, remember that wealth offers the opportunity to reinvent your lifestyle. Whether it's pursuing a new career, moving to a dream destination, or simply changing your daily habits, financial freedom gives you the canvas to paint your life story the way you want it. And finally, a bonus tip number 16, use your money to create a new life. Don't settle for a monotonous routine. Explore different passions, reinvent yourself, and live multiple lives with the freedom that money brings. So folks, 15 upgrades are not just about spending money, they're about investing in a life that's richer in every sense. What changes will you make first? Let's discuss in the comments below. And remember, for more insights on living your best life, like and subscribe to this channel. Remember, these upgrades are all about enhancing your life and making the most of your wealth. So tell us, which of these upgrades would you prioritize once you've got the money? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for an extraordinary experience. It's designed to help entrepreneurs like you succeed in all aspects of life. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.